In music, there are 12 major keys. A key signature is unique to its key, just like your signature is unique to you. Key signatures are written after the clef sign before music begins. There is a definite pattern to key signatures. They will either be all sharps in the same order or all flats in the same order. They will never be mixed like you see here. The order of sharps in key signatures is the same every time. This might help you remember it. Fat, cats, go, down, alleys, eating, birds. The highlighted first letter of each of these words is the letter name of the sharps in order that they will always be in sharp key signatures. The sharp key signature order will always start with F, followed by C, G, D, A, E, and lastly B. If there is only one sharp in a key signature, it will always be F sharp. It is the only sharp that can be by itself. If there are two sharps, they will always be F sharp and C sharp. If there are three sharps, they will always be F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. If there are five sharps, they will always be F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, because those are the first five sharps in order. Here is a visual representation of a sharp key signature. Remember that the sharp signs will always go after the clef sign. Just like in our order, F sharp is the first sharp. C sharp is always second. G sharp always comes after C sharp. Then D sharp. Then comes A sharp. Then E sharp. And finally B sharp. Notice the order of these sharps: F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. It matches our phrase: fat, cats, go, down, alleys, eating, birds. Remember that this order is only the progressive order of key signatures. It is not the order that notes will appear in music. The order of flats is simple. The first four spell the word bead: B, E, A, D. After D comes G, C, and F. You can remember that by remembering greatest common factor. The whole order of flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. Again, remember that this is just the order of flats as they appear in key signatures. It is not the order that notes will appear in music. Here's our visual representation of a flat key signature. Remember that the key signature always comes after the clef sign. Our first flat is B flat. Next comes E flat. If there are two flats, they will always be B flat and E flat, nothing else. A flat comes next. D flat is always the fourth flat. Next is G flat. Then C flat. And finally, F flat. can see that the order of flats matches our little phrase. Bead, B-E-A-D, and then G, C, F. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. Here's another way to look at the flats. B, E, A, D, G, C, and F. It spells bead and then greatest common factor. The sharps order is closely related to the flats order because it's its opposite. Start on the right side and let's go backwards. The sharps order is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Remember fat, cats, go, down, alleys, eating, birds, or burgers if they're really fat cats. Once you understand key signatures, scales are much easier to learn. The secret word is burger.